let me give you some options of what you can do with your bone rewards. There's several things you can really do that you're wolfing, you're digging for them. So for an example, this 95 bones in which I'm only can claim 33% at this time, but what are some options what I can do? And let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, there's several things I can do with these rewards, taking 33% out. So if I want to claim them, all I have to do is click here, as you know, and then click on confirm to confirm the actually rewards, like claiming those rewards. Those rewards would actually go into my portfolio. Now, I can leave these rewards in here and allow this to compound. So this 95 can get to 100, maybe to 110, maybe 200. I can allow it to go ahead and just compound after time and pull it out whenever I feel like it's time to do it. So that's the second thing. One, I can claim them and just add it in my portfolio and just leave it in my portfolio. The second thing, I can let it just compound over time. That's the second thing. The third thing what I can do is I claim them. Let's say I claim them. So it'll be 33% of 95. So let me go ahead, 95. So I basically get like 31 of these bones, which basically at the time of this video, bone is 296. So not too much times. So basically I'll get about, not too much, like a little bit under $100. So I can take those rewards, I can rebury them. I can go right here. So when I claim in the rewards, it will show up under your tokens when I claim those rewards and add it to my bone portfolio. And so I can restake them. I can restake those rewards and then just add them in there and collect rewards on a weekly basis. Because remember, you can collect rewards on a weekly basis just by burying your bones. So that's the third thing you can do. Claim your rewards and then bury those bone rewards. That's the third thing. The fourth thing you can do is claim those rewards like we just did and swap them for something else. So you can go here and say, you know what? I want to trade my bone for Shiba. Or I want to trade my bone to get a piece of a leash. You can do that just by swapping. Just by go here, click on there, look for bone, look for the bone, and boom. See that bone there? And then swap them for another token like Ethereum, like Kishu, like Shiba, like Leash. You can do all those type of things. And it will let you go ahead and do that. So there's a few options you can do there. Swap them for something else. Another thing you can do, I'm sure you've probably been thinking about this, possibly, you could swap them out, swap them for USDT, which is the Tether stablecoin on the Ethereum blockchain, which meaning you can use that to cash those bone rewards out to your bank account, or USDC is another one where you can cash out to your bank account. Now, I did a video earlier that talked about cashing out, and I did the example of USDT, and then next I'm going to do the video of how you can go straight to USDC. So a couple of ways of how you can do that, and I tied into a Coinbase wallet. Now with your MetaMask, you can do the same thing with your MetaMask. If I was doing the USDT or USDC and I was tied into my MetaMask, I could do that, but I need to take those USDC or USDT, those assets, but I need to send it to an exchange so I can cash out to my bank account, like maybe crypto.com, Coinbase, Binance, anywhere that accepts USDC or USDT. I would say USDC because that connects more to your bank account. So you can do that. Very simple and very easy. And I'll come out with a video of how you can go straight to your USDC account later on. So there's several options. Another option you can do is you can dig. So those bone rewards that you get from here, you can come back to dig and re-dig those bones and just pair it with another asset. Prime example, you can come back to here and say, you know what? I want to bury those with SHIB. You can do that. So take those bone rewards. You probably will have to get some Shiba to pair it with, or you also can pair it with Ethereum. You can pair it with that and just redig those. That is a possibility. So there's several options you can do. There's about 5 or 6 you really can do. You can do nothing at all. You can just let it just compound, and then take it out when it's time for you to go ahead and do that. So that's a couple of things you can do. I really believe that you'll probably do one of them because, you know, there's so many options you can do. Probably leave it in there, cash it out, swap it for something else. And I'll go ahead and do some examples of what you can do, like cash out. I did one about cashing out. I did one about swapping. I did one about bearing. So we'll continue doing videos on ways of what you can do with those rewards, because I want you to do the right things with those rewards. Not financial advice, just a little love coming from Adam. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for this channel. Hit that bell notification when I do videos just like this, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below to get started, and to get started with Shiba Swap. And also I have a link there for Webull to get your $5. You can get basically 2 free stocks. So go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you on the next video.